Let's learn reptiles one by one, cold-blooded friends who love the sun. Some have scales, some have shells. Let's meet them, hear their tales. Snake slithers long and thin with a flicking tongue and silent grin. Lizard runs on little toes, changing colors as it goes. Crocodile in the swamp so wide with giant jaws and teeth inside. Alligator big and strong, snapping tail, swimming long. Turtle walks not in a rush, with the shell no need to hush. Tortoise walks on land, not sea, moving slowly, patiently. Chameleon, look at that, changes color just like that. Gecko sticks on walls with ease, climbing high with sticky feet. Komodo dragon, big and bold, strongest lizard in the world. Iguana, green and bright, loves the trees and warm sunlight. Monitor lizard, fast and quick, with the tongue that's long and slick. Skink is shiny, smooth and small, can drop its tail when danger calls. Gila monster, orange and black, venom hides in its attack. Anole, tiny lizard guy, puffs a throat that's pink and high. Constrictor, big snake hug, wraps around just like a rug. Sidewinder, snake moves side to side, in desert sand it loves to glide. Sea turtle swims with grace, in ocean waves it finds its place. Bearded dragon puffs its chin, looks like it has a spiky grin. Glass lizard, no legs at all, looks like a snake but not so tall. Basilisk can run on water like a tiny magic trotter. Reptiles crawl, swim or lay so still, cold-blooded creatures with a chill. Let's clap and cheer for every kind. Reptile friends so cool to find.
Fundo kids, fun.